Hi, I'm Alexis Rodriguez, founder of Harper Gray Consulting and mother of two. Today I'm excited to introduce you to my favorite eye cream, Supergoop's BrightEyed 100% Mineral Eye Cream with SPF 40. I love BrightEyed so much because it addresses my personal under-eye concerns like fine lines and dullness, and it has SPF 40. So because it's multitasking eye care, I spend less time worried about my morning routine and have more time to get myself and my kids out the door. The ingredients in this formula are really nourishing and they help to address the concerns I just mentioned. A combination of probiotics, pomegranate, and caffeine help to brighten the under eye and help to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. And to help smooth my fine lines, BrightEyed has an extract from the South African resurrection plant that helps to provide hydration and smooth the skin. But what really makes Supergoop's BrightEyed Mineral Eye Cream so amazing is that it has broad spectrum SPF 40. And if you think about it, SPF in an eye cream is a no-brainer. The skin around your eyes is really delicate and susceptible to sun damage. In fact, 90% of the signs of aging come from the sun. So it's really important to protect the eye area. So let's talk about how I use BrightEyed. I use it every morning as part of my full face skincare routine. I just pump a pearl-sized amount into my ring finger and I dab it underneath and around the eyes and blend it in. It feels amazing and it doesn't sting or burn. I also like to apply it over the bridge of my nose to get the inner parts of my eyelids. And then I work my way up into between my brows. What I really love about BrightEyed is that you can use it under and on the eyelid itself. And it was also made so that concealer and eyeshadow layer perfectly on top of it. When I do wear BrightEyed under my concealer, there are no creases, just beautifully blended concealer and an extra bright hydrated eye area. I hope you enjoyed learning about Supergoop's amazing do-it-all eye cream. BrightEyed 100% Mineral Eye Cream with SPF 40.